Welcome back to the channel, I'm Moto Jack, and today we are going to be starting Mackenzie's Grom build, which we're pretty excited about. She's excited about it. She has a whole color scheme planned out. We're going to be wrapping the fairings. We're going to be matching it to her helmet. So let's take a look. So this is her helmet. It's a Shoei Mural 1400, and we are going to be matching the mural colors on the helmet to her bike. So if you take a look at the state of the bike right now, it's white, it's black, it's got some foam pads on the fairings. We are wrapping it in this matte pink to match the pink in the helmet. It's gonna look really, really awesome. She's already got the custom seat from Enjoy. Shout out to Enjoy, who is a local company that makes these seats for dirt bikes and Groms. This color palette is going to be fantastic. We've got grips coming in, we've got levers coming in. Gonna get the seat done, but first things first, we got to get these fairings off the bike so that they can get wrapped. Let's do it. So first things first, in order to take all the fairings off to get to the screws, we actually need to take the seat off. So Grom seats are kind of hard to get off. There's a ton of videos and a ton of people complaining about how their seat's stuck and some of the things and the levers don't really work. Sometimes it takes two people, sometimes you just have to hold the key to the side and literally lift it, pop it from the back, and it comes right off. This one, no issues at all. But this, as you can see, allows all of the access to the screws in the front fairings, the rear, and the back. So, first things first, let's get all these screws off, and all these fairings are gonna pop, 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 pop right off. Okay, so all the fairings are off. On the sides, the top, down. They all come off super easy. There's only a couple of screws and bolts in each one. The only other one left is this front, and this one's a little bit trickier. So you want to see, you have this here, here, and then these two on both sides. So you need a socket, and then you need an Allen key on both. You got a 10 mil, it's gonna fit on both of those, that one and this one, and then your Allen key. All right, so all the fairings are off. It's ready to be wrapped. Now we're gonna skip to the good part, right? So let's do it. Boom. Wow. It turned out nice. So the wrap, the seat, the front's painted. It looks fantastic. Shout out to Rollin' On 2, my boy Vic, who did a wonderful job with the wrap. The dark pink matches the helmet, and the seat and the front, everything matches. It just looks really good. We still have some work to do. We have to do the wheels. We're going to do a half and half or a pizza pattern, I don't know, on the wheels, but it's going to look really, really nice once we do the pink and the blue on the wheels, plus the rear sets and the levers. And now I'm jealous because her Grom is nicer than mine, so I got to work on that myself. Update in the next video whenever we finish the project. But there you have it. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.